Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to customize your iPad home screen. One of the first things you can do to start preparing for a new home screen look is by removing the apps and widgets from your current setup. You can even hide or remove home screen pages if you're in a hurry. Then you can do this. Before starting personalization, you need to declutter the home screen. One quick way is by hiding or removing the entire pages from the home screen. If you want to do so, then you can follow these videos. Press and hold an empty space or an app icon on the home screen. When apps start wiggling, tap on the page indicator placed above the app dock. Now it will show all pages, with the tick mark icon indicating the active pages. You can simply tap on the tick mark icon to disable the particular home screen page. If you are using any particular focus mode, then tap the page will be removed if enabled. Once you untick a page, you will see a minus icon appear on the top of that page, which means you have an option to completely remove the page. The apps listed on these pages will go to the app library once you remove a page. You can put them back from the app library. In the decluttering process, we'll remove everything from the home screen, including the app icons. Obviously, you can put them back after finishing the customization. So here the step for removing apps from the home screen. Press and hold an empty area on the home screen. Then, when apps starting wiggling, press and hold one app. Then use your second finger and tap on the other apps. These methods help you quickly selecting all apps. With the app selected, move your finger to the right side. Once you are on the app library screen, leave your finger. And that's it. Instead of removing app one by one, which is obviously time consuming, you can quickly select all apps and drop them into the app library. If you have any widgets available on your home screen, then remove them all. You can do it easily. First, press and hold an empty area on the home screen. Tap on the minus icon that appears in the top left corner of the widget. Then select Remove for confirmation. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.